Hi friends, this video shows how to upgrade this TV to Android TV OS version 14. First we need to go to settings. Set all settings from top right corner. Go to system. Under system go to about. Under about go down. Here you can see the current version of Android TV OS. It says 12. I am going to upgrade this to 14. Let me check. Under about set system update. Now it's checking for update. Please wait. See, it says system update ready. It's already downloaded and verified that update. Size of the update is 809 MB. It says this software update includes upgrade Android TV version from 12 to 14. Here we just need to select restart now. That way we can install this update and upgrade Android TV OS version from 12 to 14. If your TV company has released Android TV OS version 14 upgrade, then you would be able to see similar message in your TV. If you are not able to see this message, that means your TV company is not released Android TV OS version 14 upgrade for your TV model. Hence, you have to wait. This way we can upgrade to Android TV OS version 14. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.